time for a little education here. For those who actually need the education. For those who already know this, hey, you know, be patient. Let's teach some of these new guys. Now, some of these trucks, they got that low oil pan. So you gotta use the taller forks. Because if you use the shorter ones, trust me, you'll mess up an oil pan. And they ain't cheap. So, some guys that use blocks, they pick it up in stages, put blocks under the wheels, and then they can get the forks. But here's just another way of doing it. This one here has got the recessed hooks right there at the bumper. Now if you use a chain, you're gonna mess up the bumper. So you use the straps. You don't scratch the bumper. It doesn't kink the bumper or anything like that. Now I'm using 2 hooks, one from each cable. The reason for that, especially now when you're lifting it off, it's not such a big deal. But when you're setting it up and trying to hook up to the truck, by having both hooks, it picks it up and it keeps it more centered onto your underreach. Whereas some of you with a DTU, you'll have a single cable coming down and you can, you know, right in the middle, hey, no problem. But with a regular 2-line setup like this, use both hooks and that'll help keep it centered. And you can also adjust it from side to side. And then you just take, get your cables nice and tight so it starts picking it up. And boom up. And play with your underreach a little bit. Because if you're not careful, even picking it up, you can have those things that'll snap off of there, give it a little bit of a jolt, and make sure you set the brakes before you start pulling it off. Because otherwise it could even roll forward, and with that plastic grill, well, yeah, it's plastic, it's chrome, it's on a truck, it's not cheap. You know, you're talking a few $100 that, you know, why spend it if you ain't got to? Pick it up, you're clear. Bring it down. And out. Now, of course, this is not going to work if you've got a knuckle boom. You know, but in this case here, in my truck here, I've got a slider. And because the boom slides, I've got the Zach lift style underreach. It's hooked to the truck instead of to my boom. Now normally I'll pick the forks up and put them away, but before I let this down, but as you can see that, of course, my straps are a little bit dirty. I do need to clean them. As you can see, is evidence right here. I'll take a rag and wipe that down before I leave. But by doing that, no damage to the bumper. And you don't have to pick the truck up 2 and 3 times to get it up high enough to where you can put your underreach with the taller forks underneath the axle. Y'all have a great night. God bless.